morning, guys. How are you? Today is Friday. I'm not sure. So I figured today I would do a day in the life vlog, quarantine edition. My life is, you guys know I work from home, so it hasn't been like at first my life was kind of the same. Now I feel like it's a little different. Some days are busier than others, so let's see where the day takes us. And yeah, trying to find things to do, always, different projects. So I figured today I'd show you what my days are like. So I have a little breakout right now. I think my makeup brushes are dirty, so I think for today I want to definitely clean my makeup brushes. So the first thing I do, you guys, if you've seen my morning routine, I let the dog out so he can do his business. I do my business, brush my teeth, wash my face. So I just did some toner for my breakout and some sprays and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do now is go make my coffee. I want to sit down and also do some intense skincare for today. I feel like my face looks very bloated and very fat, like there's a lot of water in my face right now. So I want to use my face rollers and like get in there with some serum, some oil, just really pamper my face. So makeup brushes, skincare. I also want to clean my bathroom sink and toilet. I clean constantly, so I think I have more in the cabinet. Let's see. I don't, so I need more coffee, y'all, already. Let's do vanilla today. So this is where the backup of the coffee is. So when this one runs out, I go back in here and put some in there. Once this is running low, I know that I need more coffee. So I actually keep my rollers and some face masks in the freezer. And it just fits perfectly right here. Everything stays nice and cooled. And yeah, so when I'm ready to do my skincare, I grab all of this and I'll set up a little station in the living room and do my skincare. So let's do it. Guys, for brunch we have a bacon mac and cheese that I made from scratch. So I actually made mac and cheese from scratch the other day, and then this was the leftover, so I just made it new again and made it a bacon mac and cheese. Really easy. Just need macaroni. For the cheese sauce, you just need American cheese, mozz, cheddar cheese, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper. I added cilantro, garlic, and onion powder. Salt and pepper, I said that. And then make your bacon, cut it up, put it in there. So delicious. Look at that. Oh, and water. You want to make sure that you add water and butter. You could also use half and half if you have it. Look at that. Deliciousness. And I served it I topped it with some Parmesan cheese, some more cilantro, and some more cheddar. Doesn't it look amazing? shower. Just a little quick freshen up of my blowout. Why do I have this dog be scratching me? I got foundation on me. Jeez. So I did a little makeup. I'm not sure if I want to do lashes or not. Depends on if I'm gonna shoot, but I just did a quick little glam to look put together and make myself feel better. You know, pretend that my life has a purpose right now. What kind of lip? I feel like dark lip, red lip. I just watched The Masked Singer, did my hair, a little makeup, and then I think I'm going to change, put on a better loungewear outfit for the living room. Alright guys, so I got dressed and I decided, since I did my hair and makeup, well, I'm still doing my hair, I'm gonna curl these pieces and maybe some of my ponytail. But I decided to take a cute little in-the-house quarantine picture, you know, little, I don't know, something. So I'm gonna do that, and I still want to edit some videos. I want to work on my filter pack. And yeah, just kind of vibe with the day. I'm not hungry yet, so I'm not worried about food right now, but soon maybe we'll just have pizza because we have frozen pizzas in the freezer. Survival. So I am going to wash these brushes. I didn't grab all of my brushes just because I don't want to overwhelm myself. Sometimes I just don't have the energy and I don't have the patience to do all of them. So I grabbed a lot of the ones that I love the most. So I'm just going to watch a YouTube video while I wash my brushes, put them to dry, and then, I don't know, decide what else I want to do today. At this point, I'm really just trying to work on making a lot of content. So I've been doing like some work emails, creating content, work emails, editing. I'm uploading a video right now. Might do some more Instagram story content. And like I said, we'll sit down and edit some more photos. So yeah, hope you're having a great day. Clean, but my back is killing me. I used this new soap that you're supposed to actually use for your face on the brushes, and it got my brushes the cleanest they've ever been. They're all so clean that they look brand new, like the original colors of the bristles. Like foundation brush completely clean, no foundation, like crazy. Oh my god, look at this face. Look at this face. Look at this face. Hi. Oh, sweet boy. Hi. Hi. What you got? You got a bagel with cream cheese? Oh my goodness. And your little New York City coffee cup, huh? You're a New York pup. So cute. So I just finished editing my perfume collection video. It took me so long. We ate lunch, hence the lips. Yeah, it took me so long to finish editing that. I also posted a bunch of my Amazon faves in my Instagram story for you guys to shop. And then I think I'm gonna work on a new blog post, and I want to edit some photos as well. I took the photo I wanted for Insta, like little casual vibes. And what else did I want to do? Oh, wash my makeup brushes. It's 6 o'clock already, so I also have to figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. Even though we ate lunch at like 4. But yeah, that's how my day's going so far. You guys saw, I've just been sitting here editing. You know, that's also my thumbnail on this hand already popped off. Very clean though. Can put it right back on. And there was water underneath. That's the thing with press-ons, is that once you get water, the glue just loosens, and then that's that. But not a big deal. Just gluing back on. You ain't going nowhere. That's the thing with press-ons. That's why I personally have always preferred acrylics, just because I like not having to worry about my nails popping off, you know. But I also think that I like the ease of press-ons too, because if I just feel like one day not having nails, I could press them or like take them off and then just put them back on the next day. So I kind of like that too. And they are cheaper than acrylics. So yeah, but I really like them. I'm going to glue my nail back on. All right, guys, for dinner, I made a quick, easy casserole. It's just chicken, rice, green beans, and cheese. I didn't have any cream of chicken soup, so I just made a mixture of chicken broth with sour cream, and I just put it all together, let it bake for a little while, and that's it. So yeah, easy, quick dinner. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so it's 10 p.m. So this is kind of like the time when I wind down. Sometimes I'll be up editing, but tonight I already did my editing for the day. So washed all my brushes, made dinner, the house is clean. So I think I'm going to take a nice relaxing bath, wash my face, wash this makeup off, call it a night, call it a day. And yeah, let me know if you guys want another one of these day in the life quarantine. We could do one on the day that I have to film a video or a shoot. Or, you know, I think I might just do more day in the life vlogs in general for my channel. So let me know if you guys want that. And I'll see you in the next one.